Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. On a corporate network, hosts on the same VLAN can communicate with each other, but they are unable to communicate with hosts on different VLANs. What is needed to allow communication between the VLANs? Option A. A router with sub-interfaces configured on the physical interface that is connected to the switch. Option B. A router with an IP address on the physical interface connected to the switch. Option C. A switch with an access link that is configured between the switches. Option D. A switch with a trunk link that is configured between the switches. To allow communication between different VLANs on a corporate network, a router with sub-interfaces configured on the physical interface connected to the switch is needed. This configuration, known as router on a stick, enables inter-VLAN routing by creating multiple sub-interfaces on a single physical interface, each associated with a different VLAN. The router facilitates communication between the VLANs, allowing hosts on different VLANs to communicate with each other. Question 2. What is a similarity between OM3 and OM4 fiber optic cable? Option A. Both have a 62.5 micron core diameter. Option B. Both have a 100 micron core diameter. Option C. Both have a 50 micron core diameter. Option D. Both have a 9 micron core diameter. OM3 and OM4 fiber optic cables both have a core diameter of 50 microns. This core size is standard for these types of multimode fiber optic cables, which enables them to support higher bandwidths and longer transmission distances compared to fibers with larger core sizes like OM1 and OM2. Question 3. What does a switch use to build its MAC address table? Option A. VTP. Option B. DTP. Option C. Ingress traffic. Option D. Egress traffic. A switch builds its MAC address table by examining the source MAC addresses of incoming frames, which is referred to as ingress traffic. This process allows the switch to learn which MAC addresses are associated with which ports, enabling it to forward subsequent frames to the correct destination more efficiently. Question 4. How do UTP and STP cables compare? Option A. UTP cables provide faster and more reliable data transfer rates, and STP cables are slower and less reliable. Option B. STP cables are shielded and protect against electromagnetic interference, and UTP lacks the same protection against electromagnetic interference. Option C. STP cables are cheaper to procure and easier to install, and UTP cables are more expensive and harder to install. Option D. UTP cables are less prone to crosstalk and interference, and STP cables are more prone to crosstalk and interference. STP cables are shielded and protect against electromagnetic interference, whereas UTP cables lack this shielding and therefore do not provide the same level of protection against electromagnetic interference. Question 5. What are network endpoints? Option A. Support inter-VLAN connectivity. Option B. A threat to the network if they are compromised. Option C. Act as routers to connect a user to the service provider network. Option D. Enforce policies for campus-wide traffic going to the internet. Network endpoints refer to devices such as computers, smartphones, or any other device that connects to a network. If these endpoints are compromised, they pose a significant threat to the network by potentially allowing unauthorized access and control. Therefore, ensuring the security and integrity of network endpoints is crucial to maintaining the overall security of the network. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.